Welcome! We all know that learning science, when merged with rapid e-learning developments, brings memorable results, but do you know how to properly implement learning science in rapid e-learning development? In case you don't, let's learn today. First, utilize storyboarding to visually outline your e-learning module and create prototypes of it. Second, select tools that support rapid development and implementing of learning science principles. 3. Use high-quality and relevant images, videos, and animations in the appropriate places. 4. Design e-learning modules with the learner's accessibility in mind from the outset itself. 5. Gather feedback from learners and stakeholders to identify any issues and correct them. So do you now know how to properly implement learning science in rapid e-learning development? In case you do, make sure to try it out and see how they affect your courses. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching.